I'd like to begin with a quote. Dance is nature, listen to your heart. It dances with its own rhythm. The biggest thing that classical dance and music does to you is help attain balance between your mind and soul. And this is by Pandit Birju Maharaj. Good evening, friends, and welcome everyone. I'd like to start by introducing myself. My name is Priya Hiremat, and I'm here on behalf of Arpan Dance Academy, and I will be your host tonight. I'd like to warmly welcome everyone to tonight's event, Tarana, an evening of Kathak dance. What brings us here today is our mutual love and respect for dance, music, art, and culture. We are so happy that you are here today to witness and enjoy a fabulous evening of Kathak dance presented by Arpan. Arpan is based in Virginia and has dance studios in Herndon, Baltimore, and our very own Las Vegas. Arpan has been an academy for Kathak students of all ages, welcoming both young students and adults seeking to start or continue a passion in Kathak dance. Kathak is one of the 7 major forms of Indian classical dance and is derived from the Sanskrit word katha and depicts the ancient art of storytelling. Tonight, the students of Arpan Dance Academy are going to present several amazing dance performances for you. They have trained and practiced with the teachers, and some of the dances have been learned in just 3 days at the workshop that just happened last week or this week. Our first performance will be a dance honoring the Guru. Guru meaning teacher, Gu means darkness or ignorance, and Ru means to remove. Guru is someone who removes darkness and takes the disciple from ignorance to awareness. The performers for this dance are Ananya Gandhi, Bani Sharma, Sara Sharma, Shreya Sharma, Tani Kothari, Tashi Kothari, Monica Kari Nirvandana, Deepika Jain, Mala Rajbanshi, Adrita Guha, Santrupti Margad, and Guru Pratati Sahara. Please welcome them.